Hello everybody, I am Krishna Rao Patro. Now we'll discuss about one important topic, that is how to find the missing number from the given array. The array may have a set of numbers from beginning to end, that means in a sequential number set, but one of the number is missing. So one of the number is missing. Then how to find out? Now we'll write a program using Java. Find the missing number of array using Java. Find the missing number. Given array containing n distinct numbers, taking the range from 0 to n. That means you are having all the numbers but except one. So which number is missing, you will find out. So find that one missing from the array. There are different approaches are there. First we will use one simplest approach is called arithmetic sum approach. So using arithmetic sum, you can find out which number is missing. For example, I am having a set of numbers like 3, 0, 1, 4, 6, 2, 7, 8. So that means I am having 0 to 8. Minimum number is 0, maximum number is 8. But in between one number is missing. So which number is missing? 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is not there, 6 is there, 7 is there. That means this number is missing. So now your goal is find out which is that number missing. You know that when the number goes from 0 to 8, what is the sum? The sum will be actually now 8. 8 into 9 by 2. 8 9 is 72. So 2 4 so 9 36. Answer supposed to 36. If all the numbers are there, then the sum will be 36. But here 36 is not coming. Here how much is coming? If you add, because 5 is missing, no. So 8, 7, 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 4, 25 plus 3, 28, 30, 31. That means here I am getting 31. So, but my required sum is 36. I got only 31. So, 36 minus 31 is how much? 36 minus 31, I am getting 5. So, it says that 5 is my missing number. So, for that, the simple formula is you find the natural sum, the sum of that all natural numbers by applying the formula n into n minus 1 by 2. So, first of all, you will find how many numbers are there. After knowing the numbers, then find the sum. Then do the real sum, means what exactly the numbers are there. Because you know that only one number is missing. If you subtract original sum minus this sum, then automatically you will get the missing sum. So, calculate the expected value. Now let us write a program for this. So here I will pass the number as a parameter. Then I will find how many elements are in the number by using the length attribute. Then I will find the original sum, means expected sum, when all numbers are there. But you know that only one number is missing. Now what I will do? I will put a loop. This loop will do actual sum. This is my expected sum. This is my actual sum. Take the first number, add it. Take the second number, add it. Like this, it will repeat for all the numbers. So at the end of the loop, I will get actual sum. And I know in the beginning, expected sum. If all numbers are exist, then what is the total sum? Then what is the real sum? So if you subtract expected sum minus the actual sum, then you will get the missing number. So this value is your real output. Now the time complexity is order of n, because this takes time for adding the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, because it will repeat n time. So the time complexity is order of n. Actually, for calculating the sum, not required. It's fixed constant time. Whereas this takes a lot of time because it has to repeat n time. Now let us write a program for this. Now let us write a program. I'll go to my program. Now you have to read the numbers and then find the sum. And you know that one number is missing. And almost all numbers are there, 0 to n. Out of that, only one number is missing. For example, first of all, I have to read it. For reading purpose, I will use the util package. So import java.util.star. Fine. Then class missing number. Fine. Next, I will write a method called find missing void find missing from the given set of array, means set of numbers. So I will pass the array. Now from this array, whatever the number means array we are passing, one is missing. So for that, what I will do, I will define first n. N is nothing but the number of elements available. Number of elements available. Now n equal to nothing but array dot length. That gives the number of elements. Then what is the expected sum? The expected sum, integer, expected sum equal to n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1, and then by 2. N into n, sorry, if n is 8, 8 into 9, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. The formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So that is my expected sum. It says that if all numbers exist. Now what is the real sum? By actual sum. Initially, the actual sum is how much? Equal to 0. Actual sum is 0. So now I will put a loop for int the number. I am extracting the number from the array one by one. So my array is ARR. This array having all the numbers other than 1. Now my actual sum, I will be keep on adding with my number. Now when the number is, when the loop is over, I will get my actual sum. And I know my expected sum. So the missing number is integer missing number equal to your expected sum, that is the biggest number, this value minus the actual sum. So that whichever number is missing, I will get it. Now do you want to print here? If you want to print here, you can print directly here. System dot out dot println the missing number. That is missing number. Now this method you have to call in the driver code. Public static void main string argument array. I got the array. Now here I will read the set of numbers. Already you know how to read the numbers. So use the scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. So my scanner class object is ready. Now I will read the user. I will ask the user enter the numbers. System dot out dot println how many numbers? How many numbers? Now this n is the number of numbers. N sc dot next int. That means how many numbers? Whether 10 numbers or 5 numbers or 8 numbers. So out of that, which number is missing, you have to find out. Now I'll put a loop while n is greater than 0. I'll put a loop. I will keep on reading the data to my array. First of all, I have to store the data. So where I have to store? I have to store in array. So first of all, you have to allocate memory for array. So define ARR. This equal to new int of the number of elements n. Now that much memory is allocated. And I will start my index I, initial I equal to 0. Array of ith place. Array of ith place equal to sc dot next int. Sc dot next int. I got my integer. Here I will ask the user enter the numbers. Before the loop, I will ask enter numbers. But while entering number, one of the numbers would be missing because that number you would find out. Read it, then I plus plus. Of course, here I can put a condition until I less than n. I less than n. Now I will call the method. Which method? Find. So I will call directly. So I will make it static. Find missing. Followed by array. Find missing. Followed by I am passing my array. Now this program will be called directly and check. Let us have a missing number. Missing number. Control C, Control S, Control V dot Java. Now clear the screen. Java C missing number dot Java. My program is compiled successfully. Now Java missing number. How many numbers? Assume 8 numbers. My numbers are assume 0, 4, 2, 3, 7, 6, 1 and 0 is there, 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, assume 8. I am entering 8 also. Now I have entered 8 but I have missed actually 5. While missing, then I am calling the method and find out. So the answer is 5. So this is the way you have to solve it. So this program is calculating which is the missing number. So for that the simplest technique. So here this portion what you are doing, it is finding the sum. So this takes order of n. The time complexity is order of n. Order of n. Because it has to do all sum. And expected sum takes, this is actually order of 1. This takes order of 1. Constant time. So whenever a portion of the program takes order of 1 and one more portion takes order of n, which is the highest one, that is the time complexity of the program. So my time complexity is overally order of n. So you can do this program with the help of this concept. So find the missing number with the help of the natural sum. So take the natural sum and take the actual sum and subtract it, then you will get the missing number. Okay. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.